Hey everybody, I'm Kate with Crate Insider, and I thought it was high time to go ahead and shoot a video about the cold air box. It's been many years and it was time for a little refresh. So if you are not familiar with running a cold air box, if you are able to in your rules, it's a really good thing to do. And the reason why is because, well, there's two reasons. You are able to separate your air filter from the under engine heat, and you are also able to separate your air filter from all of the dust and debris that is kicked up underneath your race car. But I do get a lot of questions about how to install a cold air box and how the whole system works together. So I want to explain that today for you. We're gonna start off. I don't need to show you the whole engine, but I do need a carburetor. So I've got a carburetor right here from Hendren Racing Engines. And we're gonna put our flat air filter base on top of our carburetor, just like we normally would. Now, after this, we are going to put down this silicone seal. Now, this silicone seal comes with the cold air box from Dominator. This is the cold air box from Dominator, and it comes with that as part of the package. And then here, we'll put the cold air box on top, and then we're going to put our air filter. We've got a nice little sandwich here, and then we've got our air filter lid right here. And then of course we'd have an air cleaner stud that was gonna snap this all together. Now, what you're gonna wanna do when you get your cold air box is it's going to need to be cut down to be able to fit your application precisely. So the best way to do that is to go ahead and set up your carburetor, set up this whole system just like I have right here. And then from the side, come in with your hood and bring your hood in at the side. And at this point, you can go ahead and make a chalk line or use a marker of some kind, and then just cut it off. This is a wonderful plastic. It's not too brittle, so it's not too flexible, it's not too brittle. It's meant to be cut down. And that way you can cut it down and absolutely customize it for your car. Make sure that you are completely sealing off your air filter from the everything that's going on underneath the engine. And then to answer the other question, you do not want to cut a hole in your hood that is this big. This thing is giant. You don't want to cut a hole out that's this big. You want to cut the cold air box down. So I hope that if you've been taking a look at running a cold air box, I hope this video has been helpful for you. Of course, we sell all of these items in our store at CrateInsider.com. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in another video.